Let's get into this makeup look. I'm about to do my eyebrows real quick for y'all, so probably gonna speed this up because I already have an eyebrow tutorial and an everyday makeup tutorial, so I will link that in the description box for you. But it's pretty easy. What I do is just follow. You know what I forgot to do, Sierra? Don't answer it. What's funny? She's always good for a laugh. Anyways. Yeah, so I'm just gonna continue doing those strokes. Can you see that? No, that's not gonna work. Yeah. I mean, I don't too much worry about the application because I can clean that up with concealer. So it can be fixed. So yeah, I forgot to put primer on, but this is the one that I use. Okay, it focused, good. But I use the Professional. It's a brilliant name too, so.
Did it blur you out?
I think I'm seeing it pretty clearly.
I like when it blurs you out though, like this. No.
Does it blur me out? It's been doing that recently because when I show the products be like blurry when I was trying to show the drill bits.
When you do this, it helps focus it in.
Oh, I see
focus
that.
Right here, right here. And it blurs you out.
I see that. Alright. And we're back. So anyways, I'm just going to take a little bit smaller amount. This is by Benefit. It's really good, Sierra. Like, oh my god, I trust you. It's so good. Like, once you put your makeup on over this, girl, like I tried that out at the store. I couldn't leave without it.
Professional.
Let's put some on this shiny forehead. I mean, I really just be worried about the nose area, and that is all. But yeah, let's get into what you think I should do next. Foundation. Yeah, I'm gonna do foundation. Give it to them, because if mine is warm right now, I know they. It's warm. It's not hot. Pause. So that's my daughter in the background. She is 14 months or so, and yeah, she has separation syndrome. No, I'm just playing, but she does. She is very spoiled, and I blame her pops for that because he spoils the mess out of this girl. Like, she cannot be separated from me in the next room. So, like, yeah, I try to have her in there with her brother. He's a toddler, you know, he could be in his room with the door closed, but if you close that door on her, like, she's just gonna flip. But yeah, that's the story to that. So basically right now it's showing really orange. I hate that, but it does oxidize. It's not really something that I really too much worry about, because I mean, even my foundations I have got in the past usually tend to be a little more reddish undertone. Yes?
She was crying because Tyler took her doggone
I know he did. He be taking her stuff.
Was drinking her Kool-Aid out of the bottle.
Yeah. Disgusting. Like, you're old as fuck.
That's why she was throwing a tantrum like that.
We should have went there.
Water doggone bottle.
Did he drink it up, huh?
No, it's halfway drunken. He had that thing just playing and laughing. Drinking it on up.
That's fucked up.
She was falling out.
Was she out of her seat?
Yeah, I had her out of her seat playing.
Oh, so she couldn't get it back from him.
She could have gotten it back. She was out of her seat. But you know, Carter is older.
He is. I'm telling you what he would have did. I wish we would have saw it on camera. Is he pushing her down? Or what? Huh?
So I guess Carter is a father.
Kids be doing malicious stuff behind your back that you can't see. Sierra, what you thought he was an angel?
No. I can't.
What is he now?
He's my nephew.
Oh. So he can know your name? For real, I really do want to see him. I want to see him for longer. So at the foundation, but who am I? No, but this is really cute. Let's play the music. Did my timer already go off? You ain't even say nothing, but look. I'd rather be a B-I-T-C-H. Bitch, put that. Bitch, I gotta act like I'm begging right now. Cause you're not putting it on.